What's up, YouTube? I wanted to show you my 1934 South Bend lathe. I built a six-inch thick concrete table. It's 2 feet wide, 4 feet long, 30-inch concrete pillars. Yes, they taper in the middle and get big at the top and big at the bottom. I wanted it to be a neat design. But anyway, I just got done cleaning it all up, and I would like to show you. I just zeroed it in. Let me turn it. It's barely moving off zero, as you can see. Running very straight for almost a 90, 100-year-old lathe machine. Let me know what you think. So far, I like it. I'm just learning how to align the tailstock with the chuck and then zero out the chuck. I had to take the chuck apart, clean it all up. It was pretty nasty inside. Then my spindle, I noticed my spindle wasn't 100% straight, so I went ahead and took the chuck off, lifted it off, and cutted that with a carbide tip, and then cleaned it up with a high-speed steel blade, and now it's running very true. I'm very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. The bed is in immaculate condition other than being dirty.